Hi, in this short video tutorial I would like to share with you some trick about rotation of text. As you know, we can rotate text manually, but how to parameterize it? For example, how can we parameterize the angle of a stir run tag? Here how we can do this. First of all, I go to the Annotate tab and select Tag by category. When I insert this tag, as you see, this is horizontal. So I go to the Edit family and go to Visibility Graphics. First, I will activate dimensions and reference planes. Here are some tags that I will select and move for now, so it wouldn't interrupt our work. And then I go to the Create tab and select reference line. I draw some reference line. I would like it to start in the middle of, in the intersection of these reference planes. Then I go to Dimensions, select Angular Dimension and select Reference Plane and Reference Line. I will parameterize this angle, selecting it and adding parameter. I would like it to be an instance parameter. Then I will actually delete these tags and create one of my own. Select label, click in empty space and select actual number of risers. For example, 10, suffix x, actual riser height and width. And then I rotate this text to the same angle as you see on this parameter. So I enter 41. Now it's perfectly aligned with this line. So I just will move it. And then select both label and reference line that we draw. I select Create tab and create a group. Okay, let's check our test our family, changing the rotation parameter, for example 45. As you see, the tag will move for the first time, but once we go back to the edit and once again fix its position, now it's supposed to stay in its place. Let's go to family types and change it to 15, I don't know, 25, apply. Okay, it seemed to be working. I go back to load into project and overwrite existing version. I don't know why I can't find now this instance parameter, but actually what if we go back to family editor and change this to actually parameter of type. Okay, I load back into project, select, and if I go to edit type, I can manually change its angle.